everybody at EYFS at Home. You are joining Rachel today from Music Miners to have our Easter food fun day, and I hope you're really going to enjoy the activities we've got planned for today. So first things we're going to do is easy biscuits. So I've got my ingredients out here. 400 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of golden caster sugar, 200 grams of unsalted butter, softened, so make sure that's full. We need vanilla extract, half a teaspoon, 1 large egg, and I've also got a cutter ready to cut them. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to soften the butter. I've left it out on the side, so we need to soften it, okay? So that's going to go in the mixer now to soften it, okay? Right, first things first, we need to beat in the sugar with the butter. So if you've got an electric whisk, you just add this to your bowl. I'm using my kitchen whisk, so I'm going to put the sugar in this. Oh, got it on my finger. Now, let's mix it up. Right, let's add the egg. Let's get mixing. Right, we need our vanilla extract now and our teaspoon. So we're going to put half a teaspoon of our vanilla extract with this, okay? A tiny bit more. Okay, so half a teaspoon. And then finally, once that's mixed, we're going to add the flour, which is going to create the dough. Flour is quite a lot of it, so we'll do a little bit at a time when we're adding the flour. Okay, I'll just do a small amount first, and then we'll mix it. Put it on low, so it's not on too high. Okay. Add some more. Mix it low again. Okay, so should have formed a dough now. If it feels a little bit sticky still, add a little bit more plain flour. Get this dough, and then we're going to have a go at rolling it out. Okay, so if it feels, mine's not. Look at that. It looks a bit like Play-Doh, doesn't it? I'm going to let the children help you with this bit, because this is the bit you're going to love. Are you ready? Now with your dough, we need about a 9cm cookie cutter. Now I've got something here that I'm using. Okay, I've prepared an area here, I've put flour down. You can use a baking parchment, or you can use a cutting board. I've used a worktop. Look at that. With the thickness of about a £2 coin, okay? Thickness of a £2 coin. rolling pin, dough, cutter, okay? So just make sure I've got one side. I'm going to roll it out. Ready? It's a bit like Play-Doh. Rolling it out. So here you have it. Brought it out. Look, there's lots of there. Lots and lots. Look, I caught it here just at the top. Can you see where it's split? That's because I haven't got enough flour on my rolling pin. And we're going to use this. Okay, and we're going to cut out. This is the fun bit. Are you ready? Let's find 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to try and attempt to pick it up and place it on here. To make little patterns into the biscuits, you could get a little fork or some little toys that you can make little footprints. You'd have, if you've got anything with feet, put some little footprints on it. I've got little circular things here, little toys. Or if you've got a little fork, they look like little chicks' feet. Make some pretty patterns. Imprints. And then we put these in the oven, 8 to 10 minutes, 160. Let's see them cook. And there you have it, your cooked biscuits with the lovely prints in. Slightly brown around the outside. 8 to 10 minutes in the oven. I bet these would taste really nice with a nice drink. I really do hope you enjoy eating your biscuits with maybe a glass of squash or water or a cup of tea for you grown-ups afterwards. And I hope you enjoyed making the biscuits with me today. Bye!